Mummy said you're staying.
Go to school, I see.
I already been to school.
What? Oh, what time is it?
I don't know. Dr. Stefan is on though.
What? Where's your mum?
At the shops. If you're going to be staying, can we play lots?
No. Can you get me a coffee?
Got my coffee. I'm only 5.
Well, fine. Get me a Nurofen then.
I can't reach Nurofen. Mummy said it's good, but old brother Simon can because he's 8.
Why are you telling me all of this?